What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and today I will be showing y'all how I got this look right here. Super cute and easy. If you want to see the steps to this, just keep watching. Bye. The company I will be working with today is MyFirstWig. This is a 12-inch glueless full lace wig with 1B roots fading into a 99J. Here I'm just parting it to begin styling. You want to take your spritz spray and spray a little bit on the hair just to add some texture when you apply your crimp iron. I got this bedhead wave artist crimp iron from my local Walmart for about 20 bucks. Once finished styling, you want to go ahead and proceed with installing your wig. Here I'm just showing you the inside. It does come with 2 clips on the side, 1 clip in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the frontal to match my perimeter of my hairline. You want to do this on both sides and then continue to cut off the lace.
taking 91% alcohol, I'm now going to clean the perimeter of my hairline. After that's done, I'm going to take my adhesive. I am using Ghost Bond. I use 3 thin layers starting at the top of my hairline and working my way down to both sides. Next, I'm going to take my Got2b freeze spray and my hot comb and just press back my hairline to make it look nice and neat. Now I am going to take the Got2b Glued in the yellow bottle and continue to lay down my baby hairs to finish up the look. You want to take your freeze spray and spray that along your hairline and press it out with your hot comb to make everything look flush like you did on the other side. Lastly, we're going to take some concealer and just add that to my part to make it a little bit brighter. After that's done, you can add some to the perimeter of your hairline or not. That part is optional. After that, the look will be finished. When adding makeup to your part, if you get any on your hair, you can easily just take an alcohol swab and clean it up.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Super, super cute. I love it so much. Yes, y'all, like get into this lace though. What lace? What lace? Exactly. This is MyFirstWig, of course, as you can see from the description box, the title, the whole video. So yeah, this is MyFirstWig right here. And inside the box, it came with a whole bunch of goodies. Inside, you get this MyFirstWig bag. So it comes with a little brochure. It comes with a comb, MyFirstWig bobby pins, another elastic band, and then 2 duckbill clips. And this is a Bertili deep conditioner. So yeah, they give you 2 of these. Okay, that's so cool. So you get 2 of these. A little edge control brush, double-sided with the comb and the brush on the side. And of course your wig comes in this zip up MyFirstWig bag. Super, super cute. And lastly, it came with a wig cap, a 2-pack, and their flyaway tamer. The description about this wig, the name of it is MFB010. The texture is silky. The length is 12 inches. The hair color is a 1B to a 99J or a dark burgundy. Cap size 1. Cap construction 6-inch 13 by 6. Deep part glueless lace cap, light color brown. I didn't get any tangling whatsoever. I got like little snags with the comb that you've seen in the video from this hair, and then shedding I got a little bit from after I had plucked the hairline and used the hot comb. But other than that, I did not get any complications with this hair. This is all the hair that I tweezed out and for me cutting off the lace, even though the hairline did come pre-plucked. This is the back of the wig. Looks super, super cute, super full. I love it, y'all. And this was super easy. If you like this tutorial and want to see more, like, comment, subscribe, and you guys need to hit that bell so you know when I drop a video. Tell me what you guys think. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye. Mwah.